abantu barukuzarumira Bihare Mbara City konka batarukoreramo abo kwigitira mu kigombe cyabo cya Biharians in Diaspora Development Fund n'ingabidef izobera nyuma baziyo batahiriye amashomero gatargamwe na gamwe agara muri Rwakatirire Primary School, Bihare Mixed School hamwe na Kamatari Primary School n'ikigenderero cyo kumanya uburemezi uburi mu mashomero aga no kubakubasa kugahwera
kukira mnonga focus yetu iri hawe gise mtoto kurebera ntuzo mu mashomero area ha environment we emphasize planting trees area ha sanitation na hygiene ntwegesa abantu nambo no gundo murundi kandi ndija kwija kuba to emphasizing hygiene na sanitation.
Optinako headmistress wa Rwakatirire Primary School ashoborira buremezi obwishomero ryine kandi ugwadzizengo abashomesa ba government abini
welfare among learners and teachers, late coming due to long distances, lack of lightning conductors, lack of printed homework, few sets of exams given to learners, lack of displayed wall charts, shortage of funds to design wall art. Hini tutukabe tuenda ngo tuzimbe kibonere television area ya class for incidental learning.
Irehecho hope nashobora ngo bazira binjo mushwekeci n'abarisa n'abahinja Nintasiya nungi eshuru kuretera kushashura kwa bagomera kandi nagira ngo abeji batambire ngendo ningwa eshuru kureta bacererero.
Failure of parents turn-ups in the meetings, lack of scholastic materials, lack of instructional materials, and a conducive classroom environment due to lack of shutters, delay to report on the first day, teacher workload.
Transfer of teachers. Echakabiri abashomesa biringenda kushana. Ubundi tutekateka kuchama kwa yako tumanginanga balitomsia umsea ashomesa kushana kuko ya bene ashomesa. Echaka tu kumbuko kwa mwalimu tukubeka isho kwa kwa abazile mkaseme mu. Echaka abashomesa ni stress bafera.
Abazire bo bashobora ngo inkiko z'abazire tuzukushitama kandi n'abashomesa tubakuhereza abana bwire
So, wakachikana kama mtu kubashobora ukabajya gutamaza abashomesa tureka makasite kongera shashora private tugera
ibyo bikiriyaho Jacqueline Bamwine or head wa Kamatari Primary School nasima government ahabo bushagici oba kubahereza nkamashomero gabo
na kigamba ngo na government aided ne habashomesa no batakumara hatina n'abazire nabo beyongera mu babo ahabo kuba subjects zibaze nyingi tokagira ngo zona zishomeswe umushomeso muri Gasha kwa Susan Arino Mukisa abwa Tayari West Omurimbara.